Hi everyone, Miss Hall here again. You've been learning about feelings in your body. Let's see what Max is up to. Hey Max, do you remember how to check in with your body to begin to calm down?
Put my hands on my tummy and say stop.
That's right. The next thing.
Yow! Help! Help!
What's wrong, Molly? What happened?
I was playing outside by the fence. A great big dog ran right at the fence. He barked really loud at me. It was so scary.
Wow, having a big dog run at you and bark does sound scary. Sounds like you're having a very strong feeling, Molly. What can Molly do to start to calm down? Yep, you remember. Show them again, Max.
Put your hands on your tummy and say stop.
That's right. It will help you to start to calm down when you are having strong, uncomfortable feelings in your body.
Stop.
Good. The next thing to do is to name your feeling. Let's see if you can do both.
Stop. I feel scared.
Very good.
Now I feel better.
Good job, Molly. Now you both know what to do when you need to calm down. Good job, Molly. Good job, Max. See you later. So let's sing a song to remember the strategy that we just learned. It's sang in the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb, and it goes like this. When my feelings are very strong, very strong, very strong, on my tummy go my hands, and I say stop out loud. My feelings, yes, it has a name, has a name, has a name. I name the feeling that I feel. I say the name out loud. When my feelings very strong, very strong, very strong, on my tummy go my hands, and I say stop out loud. My feelings, yes, it has a name, has a name, has a name. I name the feeling that I feel. I say the name out loud. All right, guys, I'll see you later.